Alright, welcome back everybody. Hey there girls and boys. It's another unboxing video. Alright, let's check this one out. It's a mystery box because there's no labeling at all. Nothing, not one single tag, barcode, marking, scratch, dent, tear, nothing. Oh, just a little bit right here. Alright, let's open this up. So what we got, my peeps? See what we got up in this bad boy. Ooh, check it out, baby boy. That's it. Ain't nothing in there. Check it out, man. Super heavy duty handheld USB rechargeable flashlight. Look at that big old dial. Light emitting dial. Man, dude, this is super heavy duty to go camping. Yep. That's a nice little handle. Oh, cool. Alright. Cool. So you can secure it onto your wrist, I guess, right? So it won't go nowhere. Oh shit, badass, dude. You won't lose this motherfucker. You can use it as a nunchuck too. Whack somebody, become Michelangelo or John Wick. You know, knock some sense into somebody. Bam! Stop being dumb. Stop doing that IBW shit. Oh look. Wow, cool. So this is like, oh, it focused the lens. Oh, dude, this shit is badass. Dude, look. So like spread it or focus it and then I'll spread it, you know? I guess. I'm just taking a guess, my peeps. Oh man, and can you rotate it? Oh, you can rotate it. Clockwise and counterclockwise, forward and reverse. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Nice. Alright, let's press the button. Alright, look, so right here you can charge it. Bam! Chargeable, no batteries. Cool. Little rubber grommet to protect it. Nice. Alright, let's press the button. See what's up. Ooh, holy smokes. This shit is bright. Woo! Nice. Look at the circumference. If I had a tape measure, we can... Oh, okay, let me twist it so we can see if... Okay, actually, let me pull it and see if it... Yeah. Oh, you see, it does focus it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look. I'm going to bring it down. And look how I'm spreading it. Right? So look, I'm going to lift it. And it's going to focus it. You see? It concentrates the light into a center point. And then when you bring it in, press it down, it spreads it. You see? Focus, spread. Whoa, it's pretty light, man. It's pretty bright, man. Because, I mean, we're in broad daylight. And, it is shady right here. It is a shady spot. But, man, this thing is badass. Alright, so that's that button just once. Oh, that's telling you that it's charged, right? The different bars, fully charged. 4 of them. 3/4, halfway, just 2. And then 1/4, just 1. Right? Just guessing, my peeps. Alright, so let's press it again. See what happens. Something happened. I don't think I saw it. Now let me press it again. Oh, strobe. Chingon, dude. This shit is badass. So when you go camping and all that stuff, well, you just need lighting. Work, power outages, anything. Alright then, so it's super bright. It dims down and then it strobes like a flash, you know. Like a DJ, like a disco, like a rave. Alright everybody, that's it. I'm just glad it came charged. You can strap it, secure it into your wrist, into your hand, so you won't lose it, drop it. It's badass, my peeps. Pretty badass, pretty sick. And it's heavy, dude. You could fuck somebody up with it. Use it as a whack weapon. Bam! But you know me, I'm not a weapon person. That's why I have these bad boys right here. These are sufficient to make some damage, homie. Alright, everyone. That's it. Alright, my peeps. That's it for this unboxing video. I hope you guys like it. The usual. Smash that thumbs like button. Bam. Comment. Put, hey, that thing is whack, South Central Vegan. Share the video. Let everybody know what's up. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, thanks, new subscribers and all my OGs, gracias. Hit the notification bell, the little icon, la campanita, ping, for all the future notifications when I upload, which is pretty much every day. Alright, everyone. And it's going to get to the point that I'm going to be uploading multiple videos. Not just what I did, what I do per the day, but other stuff. Alright, you'll see. Alright, my peeps. Peace. Love.